Ray, look every time he steps. Oh, big right hand by the Filipino.
Countered by a little short, sharp jab. Oh, another big right hand. Left and right hand from Rafool.
Ray, if you just have a look, every time Kambosos steps, his first foot is forward.
January 31, 2015, nakaharap ni Australian lightweight champion na si George Ferocious Kambosos Jr. ang pangatlong Pinoy na sumubok sa kanyang tibay at lakas, si Rodney Dondon Rafool na tubong Mindoro Occidental. Kung ang naunang dalawang Pinoy na tinalo ni Kambosos ay kapwa niya tinumba, tinalo via KO, itong pangatlong Pinoy na si Rafool naman ay talagang nagbigay sa kanya ng pahirap. Napakatibay, talagang sinubok ang kanyang lakas at tibay. Bitbit ng Pinoy ang record na 12 wins, 5 losses, 2 draws, 5 via knockout, habang si Kambosos ay bitbit ang malinis na record na 6 wins, 0 loss, 3 dito via knockout. 5'9.5" ang Australiano, habang 5'7" lang ang Pinoy, at naganap ang laban sa lungga ni Kambosos mismo sa bansang Australia. Nakaschedule ang laban nila sa 6 na rounds lang. Halina't sabay natin panoorin kung paano pinahirapan ng ating pambato itong undefeated na Australiano.
Contest, obey my instructions at all times. When I say stop and break, I want you to do exactly that. Now hit punch back of the head and the kidney area. Touch gloves and all the best.
Unang round, malupit na palitan agad ang pinamalas ng dalawa. Dugong Pinoy ang nangibabaw kay Rafool sa ibabaw ng lona, habang ang mga komentator ay panay puri sa manok nila.
Condition. Oh, he got tagged by Kambosos then with a left himself. A minute or two.
Definitely so. They start off with a jab like most great fighters do. They try to get their distance, try to get their range, and you have a look what your other
21-year-old from Rockdale, from Jeff Fennick, because the wraps are big. Counter punch from the Filipino. Oh, beautiful right hand from Kambosos.
And followed with a lovely left hook as well, Ray. It was a 2-punch combo there. Carried away, hitting with 2 big punches and didn't just jump in there and go crazy. Went straight back to the jab, and good thinker, this boy. Nice body shot there by the Filipino.
Oh, left, right, left. Beautiful stuff.
Some great sponsors, Pinoy, Jim Beam. Yellow Rick Road, Mark Boros, always supporting his friends. Great man.
Good man, and he's here tonight. Was interviewed earlier by Bale. So there's that bell sounding for the end of round number 1. We'll talk about it.
Sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds, tuloy pa rin ang bugbogan. Mas agresibo itong Pinoy na si Rafool, habang pa-counter-counter lang ang mas magalaw na si Kambosos.
Ooh, a couple of good punches exchanged there.
Great hand speed there by Kambosos. This Filipino thinks he's going to walk through him now. Yeah, step back. Kambosos showed some great hand speed.
He punched him. Tell why the wraps are there on this young bloke, Jeff. Those combinations, the hallmark of a good fighter, despite a fairly...
So, Ray, he's got all the punches.
Left-hand lead, and the Filipino's stalking him back to the neutral corner and throws body punches, and they're pretty good punches as well, but he counters with a straight left. Flows from his shoulder. And close they go. Okay, you've got a wide shot on screen there. Talk us about this footwork in relation to the uppercut.
Yeah, what I'm trying to say, Ray, is his back foot's behind his front foot, where it needs to be a little bit where your feet transfer your power. And in fact, well, that's a beautiful uppercut with his feet in the right position there, because he was on the ropes, Ray.
The world champion is talking about Jeff Fennick. 22 seconds ago, round 2, scheduled 6-rounder. Oh, he tagged in there. Rafool got in with a left hand and followed up with a body punch, which may have been absorbed.
Now, Filipinos growing with confidence, Ray.
It's a much better round. Oh, good combination from the Australian. Back in the red corner, there's that bell.
Be confident here, but if you watch his replay, overhand right that just missed. Kambosos lands, but Ray's throwing punches with his feet just a little bit too far back. Look at that beautiful right hand. That right hand should hurt you. If his feet really get that back foot up and around.
I'm almost compelled to watch the feet after Jeff points it out to me. That's why he's here in co-commentary, so that...
Ray, look every time he steps. Oh, big right hand by the Filipino.
Countered by a little short, sharp jab. Oh, another big right hand, left and right hand from Rafool.
Rafe, you just have a look. Every time Kambosos steps, his first foot is forward. He's stepping into the right hand all the time. Don't be surprised the Filipinos are going to throw a lot more right hands now. He's picked.
Surrender or worse to that effect. Counteracted by Rafool. Rafool on the glove and then returned with a couple of short, sharp ones. And there's a right, there's a left. Over the top, caught him with a left on the one.
Oh, nice uppercut.
And he caught him on the forehead too, Kambosos Jr. And this has been a much better last 30 years boxing. And just when you think the other bloke might be starting to assert himself, things change, and there's the bell sounding for them with that round talks, and the bloke shuts up.
I want to check what's in his water. Just a joke.
Anyway, back we come. We're in round 10-9. The other bloke took the other 10-9, so not much in it. Part of the round.
Definitely so, and it's that last impression that those judges are feeling.
Yes, else, and they're about to put a score down, and they're most impressed by what they saw in the last 30, not the first 30.
Definitely so.
Come on, boys, work inside.
Oh, there's a good punch by Kambosos as the Philippines coming from the blue corner, obviously barked in Filipino. Oh, there's a couple of good punches thrown by the young Australian. And again, we're in the last minute of...
I'd say, Ray, he's a supremely fit young guy. He trains really...
The scoring punch, and there's another one. There's an uppercut.
Your heads.
Couple of straight lefts, one scored, one didn't. Inside the final 10 seconds or so, over the top. And oh, there's a combination of punches thrown at the Filipino, and again, as Jeff pointed out, in the...
Pero isang solidong kaliwa ang tumama sa panga ng Australiano sa huling segundo na makikitang naalog ito ng todo. Buti na lang na save by the bell pa siya dito.
Tagged him on the bell, but it really wasn't after the bell, so we come back.
Sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds, tuloy pa rin ang mas tumindi pang bakbakan. Diskarte na ang gamit ni Kambosos kontra sa Pinoy na may mas mabigat na kamao. Niyayakap na niya ang Pinoy sabay sakal, halatang di kakayanin ang makipagsabayan sa laban kontra sa ating kababayan.
The pads, instead of teaching these guys to move to their opponent.
The Filipino landed one of his own then.
Definitely the big overhand right. Kambosos might have a little cut over the left eye there, Ray.
Spot on, just well spotted as well. It's just a trickle of blood, but one round and about 40 seconds to negotiate. Kambosos with a left that missed and a right that missed, and the Filipino takes guard, as Jeff pointed out, has been opened up. Ooh. Moved away, and he comes after him, but the bell sounds for the end of round number 5 here. Facebook, after the birth of his child, says it's something he doesn't want to be involved with anymore.
What a great lesson to people, that he wants to spend time with his children. What a great human.
Anyway, in the final round we are. I'd say, without putting words in Jeff Fennick's mouth, he's got Kambosos in front.
I definitely have, but I know this Filipino's going to throw too many punches. He doesn't want to get hit this round. And look, if he knows to hold, he should be holding a bit more and just slowing the fight down because he is in front.
Smart.
Sa huling round ng laban, bahagyang nakatama ng mga kombinasyon si Kambosos. At sa mga huling segundo, ay sobrang ganda na ng palitan. Mas maraming klarong patama si Kambosos.
That's a beautiful uppercut. From Sydney, from Rockdale. Oh, there's a nice punch. And this has been a quality fight against a quality opponent.
It's been the best fight by far. We've had some great action here tonight, but this is two guys who can obviously fight and put on a great show. And I'm sure the people at home, the people...
They back up against our commentary position, right in front of us here, ringside. Mick Hafey breaks them all. He went in and went into a punch. The Filipino got one. He doesn't need to trade punches here, Kambosos. He's got it one, but he can't help himself. The adrenaline takes over in the final 20 seconds. He knows he's hurting. He throws a left and a right. This cements a victory. He comes after the Filipino, the Australian.
And the eighth guy that's been...
And there's an uppercut from Georgie. He knows he's won.
Nakuha ng Australiano ang panalo via unanimous decision sa score na 59-55, 60-54 at 60-54.
The winner on all three cards by way of unanimous decision, Ferocious George Kambosos Jr.
Bagamat panalo ang Australiano, ay talagang pinahirapan naman ito ng ating kababayan ni Sir Rapols. Napanatili ni Kambosos ang undefeated na kartada, habang ang Pinoy na si Rapol ay kasulkuyang isang Australian citizen na. Sa laban makikitang mas mabigat ang kamao nitong Pinoy, kaso kulang sa galaw, habang itong undefeated na si Kambosos ay kahit di gaano kabigat ang mga kamao nito, ay ando naman ang galaw at diskarte sa laban. Sa palagay mo, kakayanin kaya ni Kambosos itong si Teofy mo? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba.
Put my foot up your neck, my dude.
I'm taking all your belts.
All right,
all
wait, shit.
your belts.
Yo.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping firme.